Now, if you have technical questions about Save Club and, maybe credit card didn't go through, debit, we do accept cryptocurrency, okay, through iPayout and some other sources. But yeah, if you live in a smaller country or you just feel safer by paying with cryptocurrency, Save Club definitely accepts that. Also, debit card, Visa, okay? So anyway, what I like to do is just show you a back office little tour. I suggest certain things that I think will help you, not only want to join, but you want to tell other people about this opportunity so they join to save some money. And on top of that, maybe they want to be an affiliate and have the opportunity to make substantially way more money than what you're going to save. Okay? So why not do both? It's basically the same effort, because if you pick a link that does both, promote the link and let the little video, let it do all the heavy lifting. If you don't like video, what I'm doing right now, don't worry about it. There's going to be videos, a lot of them produced. Guys, we're only a couple days old. Okay? We are in the pre-launch mode right now, but I have no doubt this company will have 5 to 10 videos that you can share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Okay? You can send an email out and invite someone to click, or maybe just hand out a business card, but keep things simple. Okay? If you watch my videos, they are very similar. I show everyone my business card that I made at Vistaprint for $20. I bought ilovesaveclub.com at GoDaddy for $11. I forward it to a capture page, which you're going to have. And that's what I suggest you do too. Just invite people to watch a video. Don't try to explain, Save Club any more than, hey, it's something you can join and save money on things you're already buying. But it's also an affiliate opportunity where if you want to go ahead and promote and tell everyone about this opportunity, you can really make a substantial amount of cha-ching. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, all I do is invite you to watch a video and give you some of my contact information. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can see it on my business card there. And like I said, I love SaveClub.com. I just told GoDaddy for free to forward it to, which I call a capture page. And right now, this is where you put in your contact information. All right, there's the link right there. So instead of saying go to saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper, I would rather say go to ilovesaveclub.com, and then GoDaddy forwards to that link right up there. I highlighted in blue. So when you come here, Cory Draper's website, I can put any name here, but I like people to know who I am. Okay, you can go to CoryDraper.com. Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. On my Facebook page and my social media, it's a tongue twister, social media, I really like to just put my name. That way you feel like you know me. You can go to Facebook and see what I do every day, what I post about, car show production business, voiceover work. I own Pure Rock Radio, a radio station right next door, literally. I want you to see what I do, what I dress like, what music I like, what food or what restaurant I might be at. The more real I am, hopefully you will know, like, and trust me, because that is important to me. And I want you to know that Save Club is not a cash grab. This is not some gimmick. This is an opportunity where, yes, you will probably, and I have to put in quotes, probably, I can't guarantee, but you have a huge chance that you're going to be saving, in my case, $25 to $150 a month, just on stuff I'm going to buy no matter what, with or without Save Club. Okay? So when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, come to this page. Now, this is the little video that's already made. Okay, it's of the founder of Save Club. His name is Charles. I like to call him Chucky Boy. All right, watch this YouTube video. You can see the little red arrow there. If you want more information, fill out your contact info and hit the orange button. If you want to join, do the same thing. Contact information and secure my position. And then all you got to do is just open your email from Save Club and rock and roll. Okay, go from there. Get a username. Get a password. And what you need to do is definitely, please, lock in how you want to get paid. All right? But you just got to take your time and just watch a short video. Okay? I'm making this one short. This will be like 5-6 minutes. But I just wanted to show you in a nutshell what I do. I watched that little video. I'm in. I went ahead and joined. I joined for the year. You can join for the month at $19.97. Or if you have a few $100, go ahead and just join for the year. You will be VIP status if you join for the year. So you're going to make more money, especially when you start recruiting as an affiliate. And you can look up all this pay plan stuff, and I'll show you how. Okay, but I just want you to see how I make this pretty darn easy. I just invite you to click a link and to watch a video. And when you get rolling with this opportunity, I want you to do the same thing every single day and not over-explain this in the comp plan and what savings and how to do this and how to do that. And if you do have technical questions, guys, just support@saveclub.com. Okay? And if you've already joined, just look at the menu. It might look different on your cell phone, but I'm just showing you my screen on my home computer. But yeah, go to your membership. You want to join for the year or just a month? It's up to you. My deals. This is the link where you're going to go and see the millions of deals worldwide that you can save just by being a member. My info, make sure it's correct. Okay, you're going to enter your debit or credit card information or cryptocurrency. That way you can buy some stuff and get paid. Okay, you definitely want to get paid. Referrals, you can see who's joined, who you joined under, and the enroller, leaderboard. All right now I'm in the top 20 of the company already. My websites, you're going to go there and see which one to promote. In my case, all right, this is the one that I want you to promote too. The only difference is the username. Mine is Cory Draper right there. If your name is, let's say, Bob Smith, maybe you want your username to be Bob Smith. Or maybe a company like Dynamic Marketing or something. You decide. Take your time. Make a business card. Get good at just inviting people to a link. And your link is right here in this My Websites. Okay. Statistics. You can see how many people are actually joining. Okay. You can see very excited. I've already had 2 people that wanted to come aboard today. I've already had 880 clicks all over my website just checking it out. So thank you if you're one of those persons just going and sniffing around. You can see yesterday I had almost 900. I had almost 1,000 on Saturday. But you can see I'm pre-enrolling people. That means you just put your name and contact information in. That's it. And after making a decision of hopefully listening to me or maybe just checking out that video that I suggest you watch, then go ahead, get your debit, credit card, or crypto out and make a decision. Do I want to join as a member and an affiliate? Please do so, but do it now. Guys, we're barely a week old. This is when you want to join. It's going to get very explosive and hectic in my experience over the next couple months. And if you can just lock in now, get yourself a membership and save money, but please become an affiliate. Let's grow this team massively. I would love to have thousands in my group. And let's all help each other. And anyone that joined me in LiveGood or my other businesses, okay, people can email me, find me on Facebook. And guys, if I find out a tip or a trick or how to do something, I'm the first guy to send you an email or make a video and direct you to it. Okay? And I want you to do the same for me. Okay? If you have something that works, let me know. I'll let the whole team know. All right? There's plenty of savings out there, guys. This is the whole world. This is a worldwide thing. All right? By June 1st, our founder, Charles, I like to call him Chucky Boy, okay? He says there's going to be already about 2 million services and businesses. And I'm sure millions and millions more over the next handful of years, okay? But I'd like you to see these numbers I'm enjoying. Just having people sniffing around going, well, what you got cooking? It smells delicious. And then you actually buy. So I love these numbers. This is good. All right, so thank you if you're one of the persons that pre-enrolled or joined, okay? And from there, the pay plan. That's always hard to explain, and I don't do it in video anymore. What I do is invite people to the pay plan link right there, okay? And I have downloaded the video of me explaining it, basically. But then what I do is I also show where you can just relax, sit back, and just try to understand it the best you can, the 5 ways we get paid. And you're going to like it. Okay? It's larger money. If you don't mind talking about this company and just saying, guys, please go to my link and check it out, and that's all you do, you're going to have more success. Please don't think you have to explain and do all this crazy stuff. You just don't. Not with this company. Okay? There's 5 ways. Go ahead and just save. You can see right here, saveclub.com/pay plan. Guys, anyone can go to this page. You don't have to be a member and affiliate. Right there. Okay? And just scroll and read. And you can see exactly the 5 ways we get paid as an affiliate. And like I said, when there's really nice videos that have charts and graphs and in a couple minutes it explains it even better than just reading it, I'll be the first one. Okay, I'm really good at sharing videos. I do not like when people have to read and explain comp plans or pay plans or affiliate pay plans, call it whatever you want. You will get confused. You'll confuse yourself and you'll confuse everybody that you're trying to explain the comp plan to. Okay? Just know it's a good one. It's a fair one. And you can do this. No experience. I don't care if you're retired, you're grouchy, you think you look bad, you hate your voice. All right, don't do video. We'll get you doing something else. But most people do social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Some people do video like this. Okay, some people like to email or just share that business card that I put up on my screen. It's up to you, but just share. Right now, you have a massive advantage. Guys, if you're watching me right now, and I mean, what's today? April 28th of 2025. We're only a few days in. Okay. The official Ready, Set, Go day is June 1st. But you know what? Everyone is just going, I'm not waiting. Right now, there's a website. There's a capture page. There's savings out there. Okay. Let's not wait. Okay. This is like literally entering a marathon. And you know, the gun don't shoot and the whole marathon starts. This is like literally getting like a 30-day advance. I'm not kidding you, not an hour. This is like getting 30 days ahead of the pack. All right, I'm very excited during the pre-launch. Okay, guys, thanks for the last 11 minutes. I have a blast doing this. I think you can tell. I love saveclub.com. Please go there. And Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can get a hold of me anytime. Also on Facebook, inbox. Deal? All right, you take care of yourself. Have a good one. And thanks again for your time, guys. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.